In this video we show you the necessary steps that have to be carried out on the server in order to add a new system. Since the steps for connecting a PC216 and for connecting a PC600 differ, there are 2 more videos about these topics. Enter the React user interface. As is usual in the entire system, the menu is opened either by clicking the 3 dots with the left mouse button or by clicking the line with the right mouse button. Almost all other mouse clicks are carried out with the left mouse button, and therefore only the mouse clicks with the right mouse button will be mentioned from here on. A new system can be added either in the main window Systems by means of the button New System, or in the main window Clients through the menu item Add PC216 or Add PC600. While the path where the button allows the addition of a new system to any client, in the case of creation through the menu, the new system will be added to the currently selected client. In our example, we have chosen the path through the menu in the main window client and want to add a PC600 for the client Sun Hotel. After this operation, an empty detail window system will be opened. In the detail window system, there are no required fields, however, it's advisable to fill in the system name 1. If a GPS check is desired, it is also helpful to enter the address. After entering the basic data in the dialog window general, in the next step the rights which define the operation of the system have to be entered in the dialog window rights. In the videos connecting a PC216 and connecting a PC600, we show you the settings in the dialog window details. In the dialog window rights, there are 3 groups of parameters. Rights for operating the system. However, the events can always be viewed. Which buttons of the app shall be available to the user of the system. And furthermore, shall there be administrators for rights management for the system? These are users with special rights in the enablements. For standard application, this is not necessary. Let us first take a look at the rights for the operation of the system. Wi-Fi check active. The system can only be operated if the device with the app has been logged in to the Wi-Fi of the system. The Wi-Fi is defined in the field Wi-Fi SSID. GPS check active. The system can only be operated if the device with the app is within the GPS area of the system. For this purpose, a GPS area must have been defined and stored in the dialog window general, and the checkbox Send location of system devices must have been filled in. Only one user in authorization. Only one React user can be in authorization on this system. Here the authorization of the FTCP is not checked. Operation only possible if FTCP is in authorization level 2 or 3. The system can only be operated if the FTCP is in authorization. If session is enabled on the FTCP, the system can only be operated if the React session is active on the FTCP. In contrast to the authorization level on the FTCP, this has the advantage that the session will not be exited after the automatic timeout time. The session must be manually started and terminated on the FTCP. Next, we define the buttons of the app which are to be available to the user of the system. Show alarming device field in app. This button allows the user to operate the sounders, that means silence and reactivate them in the event on fire. In the fields on the right side, it is also possible to determine the range of the sounders and the authorization level which must have been entered in the app. Usually these settings should be identical to the settings on the FTCP. Show transmitting device field in app. This button allows the user to operate the transmitting device, which means that in the event of fire, the user can start the exploration, and during normal operation, the user can start and terminate the delay operation, which is also called day operation. In the fields next to that, the number of the transmitting device and the time have to be entered. These settings should be identical to the settings on the FTCP. Show buzzer field in app. By means of this button, the buzzer on the FTCP can be silenced. Show reset panel field in the app. With this button, the events, fire alarms, faults, etc. of the FTCP can be reset if the app is in authorization. For special applications, there can be up to 3 administrators for rights management for a system. For this function, we have prepared a separate video. In the dialog window license, the licenses that have been purchased in the React Web Shop can be viewed. In the next dialog window, notifications, you can set the system's events for which notifications will be sent to the users. Simply select the desired event type. You should also watch our video changing functions through enablements. In the dialog window GPS area, the GPS area that has been stored on the server can be viewed. These were all the data that are important for a new system. After clicking the OK button, the data will be stored on the React server. In the videos connecting a PC216 and connecting a PC600, we show how the settings which you have to make in parse of and how you connect the system to the internet, that is, usually to the local area network of the end customer.